The aim of the RSP, or the Mid Wales Regional Skills Partnership, is to help drive investment into the region. Primarily a business-led partnership, it works with business leaders and stakeholders across the region to understand the skills provision and labour market needs in order to drive investment that meets the requirements of both employers and the workforce. The RSP supports the Welsh Government's key strategies and policy areas by providing a regional perspective. This includes baseline data for further education planning using employer-led intelligence and labour market data.
And I think it's a well-known fact, isn't it, that educational attainment in Mid Wales is much higher than the Wales average. And anything we can do to keep those young people working in this area is really, really important.
The plan identifies key sector skills and employment priorities for the region, aligned to regional economic plans, including the Growth Deal.
Good networking. There's a good range of people here with similar opportunities and similar problems. So yeah, it's good to speak to them.
I think we're all on the same path of what needs to be done and what we can all do to help with that as well. So yeah, definitely worthwhile coming today.
And I found the event very useful. There was some really good discussions, some good presentations, and a lot to take forward to improve the employment opportunities and skills within Mid Wales.
So please take the opportunity to look at the skills plan. There's a link available on the website to it. Check that we have the information correct, it's flexible, and we can adapt that going forward to support businesses and the local economy to continue to grow.